The first phase of MTT ventilation concept is minimum ventilation. During the first days of life, the heating is active. The unique built-in OptiSec control automatically regulates a clever harmony of ventilation and heating. Never too much and never too little, for guaranteed minimum heating costs, whatever the weather conditions outside. Air is introduced over the entire length of the building. This ensures that fresh air is distributed evenly. The air inlet directs the fresh air towards the ridge where the air is warmed so the birds never suffer from a sudden drop of cold air. The air exhaust is set to suit the birds' needs. This works using controllable fans or modulating fans according to an accurately calculated on-off system, or even a combination of both. More fresh air is needed as the birds grow or the outdoor temperature increases. The air inlets open further and the ventilation capacity rises. Ventilation is increased gradually, precisely suited to the birds' requirements. This process continues gradually until the air inlets and exhaust fans have reached their maximum position. The unique shape of the Fancom air inlet plays an important role here. A simple summer or winter setting determines the maximum air inlet opening. This ensures that a cool outside breeze is directed towards the birds during the summer period, while preventing a cold air drop in the winter months. If more ventilation is needed, the MTT concept switches over to the transitional phase, the gradual transition to tunnel ventilation. The uninterrupted increase in ventilation prevents disturbances to the airflow. During the transitional phase, minimum ventilation runs at its maximum, and the tunnel fans are activated one by one, while the tunnel inlet slowly opens. The airflow gradually changes from minimum ventilation over the width of the house to tunnel ventilation over the length of the house. This encourages the birds to spread well throughout the available space without showing bunching behavior. The final phase of the MTT concept is tunnel ventilation that exhausts the heat produced by the birds. The air inlets are fully closed and the tunnel inlets are opened as required. The large fans in the rear wall are activated one by one, creating the so-called tunnel effect, where air flows over the animals at great speed. This airflow is like a cooling sea breeze that considerably reduces the temperature felt by the animals. In a temperate climate, this creates sufficient wind chill without having to resort to extra misting installations or cooling pads.